What's the meaning of AD? AD. 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 The acronym AD can have various meanings depending on the context. However, in general, AD is commonly used to represent Anno Domini, which is a Latin term that means in the year of our Lord. It refers to the current era or time period in the Western world, which starts from the assumed birth year of Jesus Christ. The use of AD helps to standardize dates across different cultures and religions. Today, it is widely accepted and used as a reference point for historical events and timelines. Overall, AD is a historically significant abbreviation with widespread usage and recognition in the modern world.